Igbo muleze Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na ekene kwa mono. Nna nwoke bụ Yanbaba sita ko be clear the air. O shono kpo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu T3RR0RIST. No kporo anyị also acknowledge and kwucha okwu maka ndị onyechala aka that are turning against him now. Onwe ihe ọbụla nchọrọ ikwu. That post is coming from your page. You did not say it, but you posted a write-up that has to do with it. So you have to first of all take accountability and take responsibility of what you posted. Obono government bịa kịta bịa na-ekwu okwu mago ka jide gị based on ihe post. You will be held accountable by the government of what you just said. Assure me whether you in as much as that thing has been found in your possession or go away. Na Nigeria no maka a few months ago ka agbabu one boy upon none as no boro yanwa nwede egbe no mmadụ zilia, but a such thing was found in your possession. So ni ebi na compound imaro na akọ Igbo n'azụ backyard unu mana ibi ebi dị oboro go anwe ya. Once police battered, everybody know that place with suspect. First of all, I was expecting you to come and tender apology to ndị Igbo so ke ndị Igbo nekwa na anya na any hemen ibidogodo nkuwa nka kube nke ọzọ si na ekwuro na emero nka that he go give you flimsy excuses about things. And you also went as far as calling out people ndị drag gị n'ihe ikwu. Ọ bụrụ na the reason why you nyere ndị mmadụ aka bụ na because mbosi ya eme ajọ ihe ka ha kpuchie gị. Stop it. Ime ihe na-adịrọ mma or you gị na mmadụ na-atọ you and the person is afraid of telling you the truth. That means you are missing something as a human being. Ọ ka mma na ịpụta n'ụwa ka anyị na-agwa onwe anyị eziokwu because na etele ụgba etele ose something na-eme isi. So achọrọ m kwunu gị ihe Yanbaba kwuru regarding ya that post na-agagharị maka ihe ọkpọ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Unu get this video kabanaro share ya and also don't forget to subscribe. Godikwan.
Good morning, my people. My name is Dr. T3RR0RIST. Okay, they say make they put doctor again if you are honorary, so let me respect myself. My name is T3RR0RIST, Yanbaba, Odogububu, the creative monster, the chairman CEO of the one and only content factory in Nigeria, Yan Content Factory, the convener of the biggest Igbo podcast in the world. Bam! Adamaka. This video, I'm doing it to address what is going on because so I need to say one or two things about my podcast, about the whole Nnamdi Kanu issue and the Biafran issue, and then some of the things that people are alleging that I am behind and everything. First of all, I'm not doing this video out of fear. I'm not even doing this video out of caution. I'm doing this video out of respect for a lot of people that have me in high esteem. I'm doing this video for people that genuinely care about me. A lot of them has called me, a lot of my big bosses, people that I have a lot of high respect for. I wouldn't want to call their names here. A lot of them have called me to inquire what is going on. So I am doing this video so that some of them will have what to point at and say, okay, this is what he said. So this is out of the love and respect I have for people that genuinely care about me, love my podcast, follow my craft. This is just to give them closure or maybe succor, you know. First of all, what is happening now is a testament and an evidence that BAM is the biggest podcast, Igbo podcast in the world. First of all, what's going on now has evidently showcased that BAM is the biggest Igbo podcast in the world. Me and you have to agree that before I continue. Secondly, just like the name BAM, many of you may not know, I didn't just call my podcast BAM just for calling sake. I didn't call my podcast BAM because I don't have any other thing to call it. I called it BAM for a reason. Bam netinobi. You know, if you hear it, it go knock you for chest. Bam. That is the concept behind the podcast, Bam. Bam as a podcast is here to interrupt the status quo. Bam as a podcast is here to upset the normal and to scatter the conventions. Bam is a podcast that is here to question the unquestionable, to say the unsayable, and to dare the undareable. That is the concept of Bam. If I have the privilege to bring the enemy of the whole world to Bam, I will bring the person. That is Bam for you. Bam is not a comfortable podcast. So that is why when some of these things are happening, when my friends call me, I tell them that this is prophecy coming to pass. That when this thing came to me, that this is what it was meant to do. You know, some of you is because you may think because I'm not having white chalk on my eye, or having my own shrine, or you think that I'm not called. My brother, I didn't just wake up and start doing dada. I didn't just wake up and start carrying dada. This is my own ago. This is my own calling. This is my own field. Hate me, like me, detest me, it will always appear on your face. I understand this content thing. I understand it. Go and check from the days of me and Kimora, me doing Follow Me Wash, Odogo and Aisha. I have never done any content concept that failed. And I don't leave them because they failed. I leave them because I have exhausted my time with this. This is my own ego. These things come to me in my dream. This thing comes to me naturally. Block all my pages. You will still be seeing the podcast. Some of these things, you will not understand it. So this is the concept of BAM. Is to upset the status quo. Is to interrupt what you think is normal. So I'm not surprised. It's not today that people started threatening me. I've done a lot of things that I've done it. If I'm supposed to put my life for this thing, I will gladly do it. This is what I believe I am called to do. I was one of the best stand-up comedians in this state. At a time, the spirit that came to me to this world to say, the time for comedy is over. Some of my colleagues are begging me to come back. Someone like Prince Nature that did his show, his 10th show. By the way, so sorry for your dad's loss, my brother Prince Nature. I will still call you. He did his last show. He called me and said he wants me to make a comeback. Ask him. He said, please, just please, I want you to be on this show. I told Nature that I can't do it again. The time is over. Go and ask him. I said, I can't do it again, please. I did not stop comedy because I stopped being funny. I didn't stop doing Odogo and Aisha for now because me and my wife is no more trendy. It's a lie. There was a higher calling. Very soon, I'll be 40. I can't be doing comedy. I can't be cracking jokes. What was the age of people like Gowon, Ojukwu, Nnamdi Kanu with them? When they changed their destiny in this country. The age of Buhari them. These people were in their 30s, 29. What was the age of Kaduna Zog? What was the age of Isaac Adaka Boro? 27 years old. How old am I that I'll be here doing comedy and cracking jokes when this country is failing and doing a lot of things? I have to step in, be a stakeholder when it comes to media. That's the whole idea. So I'm not surprised what's going on. Let me address this issue of Nnamdi Kanu and my BAM. First of all, I'm a journalist. I am an interviewer. One of the things that people like about me in my interview is they say I allow people to talk. when you watch my interview, I keep my opinion to myself. I go talk. I go ask you question. I'll not tell you, Gabanihu. Go ahead. I don't interrupt my guests. I don't have opinion. I've never publicly had opinion about Nnamdi Kanu or Biafra. I have not. Go and check every of my videos. I don't. One of the things that sells my podcast is I don't interrogate people. I discuss with you. I don't interrogate. I just converse. I've never divulged my opinion about Nnamdi Kanu or Biafra publicly. I don't have an opinion as a journalist. My own is to bring out what you want to say. So the screenshots that have been flying here and there, first of all, that very page is no longer my page. We've lost access to that very page. I have posted it so many times. I have released a press release. I have done video. Yan Content Factory has been hacked since September the 29th last year. I said it. Go to my page. I've posted it. That is why I started saying Chijoki Igwendo. And because of the excellence of the craft, some of you did not notice that the big page that was posting this content is no more posting it because one came my whole meh. Some of you don't know that I shifted from another place to another place. Why did you start seeing Chijoki Gwendo? Yeah, that Content Factory was hacked. Go to that page, you will see that the hacker, they are posting nude stuff on their story. They are posting naked people on their story. There is no meaningful content creator that will be posting that on his page. Some of the content creators like IB that intentionally set me up for drugs have called me about this page, and I told IB that this page has been hacked. So that very screenshot is one of the thumbnails that my workers used for a video I interviewed a guest. It was on Instagram. So it's a thumbnail. If you're a creator, you know what is thumbnail. Thumbnail is something that before you click a video, you will see graphics explaining what the video is all about. So it was a thumbnail to explain what my guest said. If you watch that screenshot, you will see that there are two faces there. The face of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the face of a guest, that is Ike Naya, Ike Chukwonya movement. This was what the interview was about. This was what my guest said. But interview is the interview that before you watch, they will tell you that they will show you a disclaimer that whatever this person said is their opinion entirely. If this interview was happened in Arise, will you be dragging Arise News? Is it because it's Yanbaba? Una they belittle me, oh. Una they look down on me. I see a lot of people that are saying I am a nobody. If I'm a nobody, I won't be upsetting the status quo. Understand it. Igbos protect me. Igbos protect me. You don't know what you have. Now, a lot of people are telling me, don't you know that your podcast is the voice of Igbo? Did any Igbo person, did any Igbo community gather to say, oh, Yanbaba, you are now our voice? One can pay a button. One can build this thing. Somebody built this thing from scratch. Igbo should protect me, oh. Some people are saying you're a nobody, you are this one. If I'm a nobody, why are you bothered? Why is my podcast bothering you? So my people, that page is no more my page. I did not have an opinion about Nnamdi Kanu. That very caption was what one of my guests said. And then the hacker went to Instagram, screenshotted that and posted. Go to please, if it's possible, please, you guys should report that page massively. Young Content Factory. Go to Chijoki Gwendo. Will you see anything like that? Go to Young Content Factory. You will see that everything they are posting are old materials because they don't have access to the new ones. They just will go, they will download my old video, download my old picture just to get traffic. And that is what they are getting now. My opinions about Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra is personal to me. As a journalist, I don't carry and put for bag, put them for pockets. 1 or 2 days, if I have the privileges to give speech on something, I will tell you my opinion. Oh, I see my brothers, content creators, that set me up for drugs. These are boys that I've helped in one way or the other. Ebonyi Son, Wagaji, Uncle IB. On the normal, when we started doing entertainment, these people, I don't know whether they will still be in secondary school. I don't know. These 3 people that started doing this thing, Ebonyi Son, Wagaji, and Uncle IB, these people have come to my podcast. Ask them, did I tell them what to say? Some people say I used to give people drink. No, nobody gives anybody drink. When you sit down on that seat, Emmanuel Bamkebia. When Ebonyi Son came, somebody contacted me that Ebonyi Son wanted to come to my podcast. Actually, it was the content creator, a lady, Mirima. She contacted me. I asked her to just give me some time. I saw that Ebonyi, people were dragging Ebonyi that time about Gala. I now told Mirima to contact him to come to the podcast. And he came. He defended Ebonyi because I've hosted somebody that dragged Ebonyi. He came, he defended Ebonyi people. I did not remove his video. I've never tampered with anything that anybody said. If you know you've come to BAM and I tampered with what you said, come and say it. The only thing I could do is that I can post your video in part. Maybe I've not posted that part that you said that thing, but I've not tampered with your video. Ebonyi Son has come, said everything he wanted to say. Uncle IB came. I think I even asked him about this Biafra issue, and then he said his opinion. I posted it like that. It trended. Wagaji has come and dragged a lot of people. I posted it like that. I don't reject guests. Nobody will ever say that I called Yanbaba and Yanbaba said I will not host you. Even if you want to come and talk that devil is the best human being on earth, even if you want to come and say that devil is better than God, that devil is bigger than God, I will just tell you the cost of my production. If you pay me, I will host you. Yes, but it's a commercial interview. Those people that you are seeing that is doing no, they depend on me for their monthly salary. No be my amo that I use pay them. I don't pay them with my amo. I pay them with money. So if you come and write us that you want interview, we can charge you as well. Just the way TV stations that you need their platform, other podcast charges. We need money to run it. So most of them will come. You may tell them your charge. They will start a kawono. And some of these things, I'm not the one handling them. I have workers. I have more than 20 persons. So a lot of you will write our customer care. A lot of you will do this thing. It's not me you're talking to. You're talking to an innocent boy or girl that does not know what is going on. Please, my people, protect me. A lot of propaganda. Some people say that I am paid. I am Soludo agent. That Soludo is paying me. That I am close to Soludo's wife. And I am paying this one. Yeah, but let me go. Come on, man. Let me say it clear. Professor Charles Soludo, the governor of Anambra State, is somebody that I have a magnitude of respect for. I've said it before. Governor Charles Soludo is the best governor in the history of Anambra State. That one is my opinion. And Governor Charles Soludo's ideas, policies, ideologies align with me. I love the man to the moon. If there is anything I would do to support his government, I will do it without blinking. I don't require 1 naira from him. I don't require 1 naira to support him. I love him. And that is what I believe in. He's a man that tells you his position. Obodo Ichi offense. Soludo is a man that tells you where he's standing. So I love him. I admire him. He inspires me. If I have opportunity to stay with him from morning till night, I will go and stay with him and listen to him and take notes. This is a man that became central bank governor. At what age? How old am I? Then the wife, Chief Noye Soludo Miriguregu, is my mommy. She is my mommy. She is interested in me. She wants to, she's a mother to me. It's not about money. I'm not hungry before I started doing this thing. Nobody pays me shishi to do anything. I love them. I love Noye Soludo as a son, no, as a son. She mentors me and my wife. She's a woman that is interested in your personal life. How many women are like that are in government? I would always go to them for counsel. And anytime I have opportunity, I will snap 100 photos with them. So it's not about money, or this thing is not moved by money, my brother. If it's moved by money, I would have been dead and gone. I mean, the podcast would have been dead and gone. So please, this is this is an official address to what is going on. Thank you for always patronizing Yanbaba.